Hi, welcome back. Here in Mississippi, according to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, the CDC, 1 in 85 people will face a lifetime risk of HIV diagnosis, placing Mississippi 9th amongst all states in the highest risk. Now, the CDC also notes that by race, minorities are the most affected. Founder of the Red Door Foundation, Marvell Terry II, has more on the importance of testing and an upcoming event. Good to have you here with us, Marvell.
Thank you so much for having me.
So first, talk to me about the Red Door Foundation. That's your brainchild.
Yes.
Okay, talk to me about it.
It is my child. It's an organization that I started in Memphis to reflect the epidemic. So as a black gay man living in Memphis, there was not an organization that looked like me that could respond to the needs that I had as a person living with HIV. So I created this organization to respond to the epidemic in my city.
Any significance behind the title, Red Door Foundation?
Red being the color of HIV, and this door being this opportunity, meaning if you're affected or infected, that you still have this opportunity, and who can bypass a red door.
Yeah, very good. All right, so let's talk about the importance of testing. We've got some alarming statistics. Our state, Mississippi, placing way too high for this, and it's about awareness, and it's about the importance of testing. So talk about it.
So testing is very important to decreasing HIV and AIDS in our community. And so when we talk about the importance of testing, we have to acknowledge stigma being in the South, Mississippi, Tennessee, Arkansas, and we also have to talk about religion, that people are not likely to go into clinics to get tested because they may see someone that works at their church, or they may see a family member working in the clinic. Testing is very important because the earlier you know your status, the likely you are able to get it under control. So treatment as prevention, similar to breast cancer.
Yeah, that's important. I mean, like you said, you're just kind of doing away with the stigma because it'll eventually save your life, potentially. All right, second, again, we talked about the alarming statistics from the CDC. So talk about PrEP. What is that?
PrEP stands for pre-exposure prophylaxis. So it is it's not new, but for a lot of people it may be a new theory that you could take a pill a day to prevent HIV. So the pill a day is Truvada that you hopefully can get in the clinic in Mississippi area that will prevent you from contracting HIV and AIDS.
Oh, so prevention is what you're talking about with there. Okay, that is the part of the PrEP. Okay, good deal. Well, in all of this with Red Door Foundation, you've got an event coming up in the summer that's important for everybody. Talk about it.
And so I wanted to bring some attention to the lack of resources that Jackson has, and also bring focus to HIV in our region. And I'm hosting a conference here called Saving Ourselves Symposium that brings attention to black LGBT individuals. So we want to encourage, empower, and also bring service providers to the area to learn information around HIV, social justice issue, mental health issues as it relates to that population.
Let me surprise you. It's called Collective Power, Collective Solution.
Yes.
Okay, that's good. I cheated. It's on the screen.
Yes.
But it's up there for you at home as well. Listen, if you want to get some information about HIV awareness, talk about the importance of testing, Marvell with Red Door Foundation, he founded this, and he's telling you to come on out because it's really for everybody.
Yes, for everybody.
Because if it's not you that's personally affected, perhaps it's a friend or a family member. Is there a cost to attend?
$35.
Okay, where does that money go? Back into your foundation to help further events like this? Okay, well, here's some information again for you. Mark your calendars. It's in June, but you know we lead busy lives.
Right.
So go ahead and mark your calendars now because it'll be here before you know it. This is over a couple of days, I see. Is that right? June 8th through the 11th?
Yes.
Okay.
About 3-4 days.
One charge?
One charge.
Okay, so not per day.
No, one charge.
Okay, good deal. All right, so space is available, and it's going to be at
cheap.
Okay, and that's going to be held where?
Jackson Hilton.
Okay, the Hilton on County Line. We had all the information up there for you, and that is certainly something good that you're doing because we do need to be aware of it and raise awareness and get rid of those stigmas about getting testing. Thank you, Marvell, for coming on and talking about it.